Welcome to this demonstration on mobile printing with Printix. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to configure mobile print in the Printix Administrator, enable the iOS app, and print a document from your iPhone or iPad. First, let's log into the Printix Administrator. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Settings menu. Here, you'll find the option labeled Mobile Print. Click on Mobile Print to open the settings. To enable mobile printing, simply tick the box that says Enable Mobile Print. This setting allows printing from iOS and Android devices to Printix-managed printers. After enabling the option, don't forget to save your changes. Now we need to specify which networks will allow mobile printing. Let's go to the Networks overview. This section shows the available networks. Currently, there are two networks, Berlin and Amsterdam. I want to enable mobile printing only for the Amsterdam network. To do this, I will go to the settings for the Amsterdam network and check the box for Enable Mobile Print. To enable the printer queues for mobile print, navigate to the Queue Overview section. Here you'll see the list of printer queues for this environment. I will filter the queues for the Amsterdam network. This network has only one print queue and the Print Anywhere queue available. Select the queue you want to enable for mobile printing. Please note that if you use an Android device for mobile print, or want to print to the Print Anywhere queue from your iOS device, via the cloud printing must be enabled for the print queue. Make sure that Enable Mobile Print is selected for this queue. This setting allows mobile print jobs to be sent to this printer queue. After enabling mobile print for the queue, save your changes. Now that we've configured the settings, let's move on to the Printix app for iOS. Head over to the App Store and search for the Tungsten Printix app. Download and install the app on your iPhone or iPad. Once installed, open the app and sign in using your Printix credentials. Ensure that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network that is recognized by Printix. Also, make sure that your device is not in low power mode, as this can prevent the app from functioning properly. To print using AirPrint, you'll need the AirPrint password. In the Printix app, select Menu in the top right corner, and you will find the option to obtain your AirPrint password. Copy the password to the clipboard. Let's print a document using the Printix iOS app. Select the document you wish to print. Tap on the print icon to proceed. You have several printing options available through iOS, including black and white printing, duplex or double-sided, simplex, single-sided, and the ability to select specific page ranges. Additionally, you can choose from different printer queues. To use mobile printing, your iOS device must be connected to the same network as the printer. The app will display the available print queues. Be sure to select the queue that has mobile printing enabled. If this is your first time printing to this printer, it will initially appear locked, and a dialog box will prompt you with Password Required. To unlock the printer, enter your AirPrint password. Since I copied this password to my clipboard earlier, I will paste it here. After selecting your queue, confirm your print job. Your document is now being sent to the printer. And that's it! You've successfully configured mobile print in Printix, enabled networks and printer queues, set up the iOS app, obtained your AirPrint password, and printed a document from your mobile device. Thank you for watching.